Hello everyone, today we are learn capital and small letter alphabet with color name. So let's start. Pink color, purple color, light green color, dark green color, sky blue color, red color, white color, brown color, gray color, blue color, orange color, pink color, yellow color. Let's paint. Purple color, capital letter A, small letter A for apple. Pink color, capital letter B, small letter B for butterfly. Light green color, capital letter C, small letter C for cat. Yellow color, capital letter D, small letter D for duckling. Pink color, capital letter E, small letter E for egg. Orange color, capital letter F, small letter F for fingers. Sky blue color, capital letter G, small letter G for crabs. Dark green color, capital letter H, small letter H for hand. Purple color, capital letter I, small letter I for island. Pink color, capital letter J, small letter J for joker. Light green color, capital letter K, small letter K for kite. Yellow color, capital letter L, small letter L for lion. Pink color, capital letter M, small letter M for mango. Orange color, capital letter N, small letter N for nose. Sky blue color, capital letter O, small letter O for onion. Dark green color, capital letter P, small letter P for penguin. Purple color, capital letter Q, small letter Q for queen. Pink color, capital letter R, small letter R for rain. light green color, capital letter S. Small letter S. S for sunflower. Yellow color, capital letter T. Small letter T. T for train. This pink color, capital letter U. Small letter U. U for unicorn. Orange color, capital letter V. Small letter V. V for fan. Sky blue color, capital letter W. Small letter W. W for watermelon. Dark green color, capital letter X. Small letter X. X for xylophone. Purple color, capital letter Y. Small letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Pink color, capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sky blue color, dark green color, light green color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, white color, pink color, red color, gray color, brown color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. Light green color. A. A for apple. Blue color. B. B for baby. Orange color. C. C for carrot. Brown color. D. D for doll. Sky blue color. E. E for elephant. Light green color. F. F for fingers. Blue color. G. G for grapes. Orange color. H for hand. Brown color. I for island. Sky blue color. J for joker. Light green color. K for kangaroo. Blue color. L for lion. Orange color. M for mango. Brown color. N for nose. Sky blue color. O for orange. Light green color. P for panda. Blue color. Q for queen. Orange color. R for rain. Brown color. S for sunflower. Sky blue color. T for train. Light green color. U for unicorn. Blue color. V for fan. Orange color. W for watermelon. Brown color. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. Y for yo-yo. Light green color. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.